Frank and I just bought this new Moen Lindley two-handle bathroom faucet. It's really easy to install, and we're here to show you how. Before we get started though, we need to make sure that we have the proper tools to do the job right. New supply lines, adjustable wrenches, a basin wrench, and a Phillips screwdriver. Before you actually start installing the faucet, prepare the sink area. Always turn water supplies off before removing the existing faucet. Turn the faucet on to relieve water pressure and to ensure the water is completely off. Then disconnect the supply lines from the shutoff valves. Now we're ready to remove the old lift rod. Take the old faucet off and make sure to clean and dry the mounting area before you start the installation. These are the parts that you need to install Moen's new Lindley two-handle bathroom faucet. Faucet assembly, mounting nuts, lift rod, and deck gasket. Place the new faucet on the sink with the gasket provided, or use plumber's putty if no gasket is provided to make a seal to the sink deck. Tighten the mounting screws underneath the deck. If necessary, you can use a basin wrench to tighten the mounting nuts. Connect and tighten the supply lines to your existing hot and cold water supply lines. You may need to install a new waste or drain assembly with your new faucet. For detailed instructions on these steps, go to moen.com or refer to the instruction sheet that came in your faucet box. Next, you'll need to install the lift rod. Insert your lift rod through the hole in the faucet. Insert the end into the lift rod strap and secure with a lift rod strap screw to finalize the assembly. Open the hot and cold water shutoff valves before turning on the supply valves. Now that the faucet is fully assembled, we're ready to test our new Moen faucet. To avoid any damage to your plumbing, be sure to flush the new faucet, make sure the handles are in the on position, and allow the water to run for 15 seconds. Our new Moen faucet is now ready to use. Thanks to the brushed nickel life shine finish, the faucet will not corrode and the finish won't wear off. Moen's new Lindley two-handle bathroom faucet meets WaterSense certification criteria to help conserve water. And Moen's faucets are backed by a lifetime limited warranty. These are all important features to look for when buying a new faucet, if you want it to last for as long as you own your home.